Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we are diving into something that feels both futuristic and luxurious, a concept that merges the engineering brilliance of BMW with the comfort of a home on wheels, the BMW Motorhome 2026. This model isn't just another large RV on the market. It is a complete rethinking of what a luxury motorhome should be. BMW has taken their signature blend of performance, design, and innovation and brought it into the world of motorhomes to create something truly unique for long-distance travel. Lovers who refuse to compromise on style or driving dynamics. The exterior of the BMW Motorhome 2026 is sleek, modern, and instantly recognizable as a BMW product. At first glance, you see the bold kidney grille, reimagined in a larger scale, to suit the massive size of this vehicle. The front fascia carries sharp LED laser headlights with a futuristic light signature that gives it a commanding presence both day and night. The body itself is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, blending smooth curves with strong shoulder lines to reduce drag while maintaining an elegant but aggressive stance. Large panoramic windows stretch across the sides, allowing light to flood the interior while giving passengers expansive views of the journey. At the rear, slim LED tail lamps and an integrated spoiler enhance its modern appeal. BMW has also included retractable side steps, hidden storage compartments, and a lower ground clearance adjustment system that makes it versatile whether you're pulling into a luxury resort or setting up camp in a remote area. When you step inside, the BMW Motorhome 2026 takes you into a space that feels more like a penthouse suite than a traditional motorhome. The cabin is designed with a minimalistic yet high-tech approach, reflecting BMW's interior philosophy but expanded into a full living environment. Premium leather upholstery, polished wood surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting all create a warm yet futuristic vibe. The main living area features a spacious lounge with modular sofas that can be rearranged for socializing, watching TV, or relaxing after a day of travel. A large OLED smart display rises seamlessly from the wall, connected to a surround sound system tuned by Harman Kardon, ensuring the best in entertainment on the road. The kitchen is equally impressive, fitted with state-of-the-art appliances that include an induction cooktop, a convection oven, a refrigerator, and even a built-in coffee machine. Cabinets are crafted from lightweight but strong carbon fiber composites, keeping weight down while maintaining a luxurious finish. The dining area is positioned beside panoramic windows, offering an incredible view while you enjoy your meals. Moving further back, the BMW Motorhome 2026 provides a master bedroom designed for ultimate relaxation. It features a king-size bed, with BMW's comfort mattress technology, soft-touch side panels, hidden storage, and automatic blinds for privacy. The bathroom continues the luxury theme, with a rainfall shower, marble countertops, and smart water usage technology to maximize efficiency without compromising comfort. Performance is where BMW sets itself apart from other motorhomes. Unlike traditional motorhomes that focus mainly on size and comfort, BMW ensures that driving pleasure is a key part of the experience. The BMW Motorhome 2026 is powered by a hybrid drivetrain that combines a turbocharged inline-six engine with an advanced electric motor system, delivering both power and efficiency. Together, they produce smooth acceleration and excellent torque, which makes even this massive vehicle feel confident on highways and capable of handling long-distance travel with ease. The hybrid system also allows for short all-electric driving, perfect for entering low-emission city zones or camping in quiet, eco-friendly mode. The motorhome sits on a reinforced adaptive air suspension system that constantly adjusts to road conditions, giving you a ride that feels more like a luxury SUV than a heavy RV. Handling is precise with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensuring stability in all conditions, whether you're on wet roads, gravel, or snow. Safety and driver assistance technologies are at the forefront, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering such a large vehicle surprisingly easy. With all of these systems combined, the driver and passengers experience not just comfort, but also peace of mind on every journey. Fuel efficiency has also been improved compared to conventional motorhomes thanks to the hybrid system and aerodynamic design. BMW has managed to make the 2026 motorhome one of the most eco-conscious vehicles in its class, offering lower emissions without sacrificing performance. In terms of range, the large fuel tank and battery pack ensure long-distance capability, allowing owners to travel across countries without frequent stops. Now, when it comes to the price, the BMW Motorhome 2026 clearly positions itself in the ultra-luxury market. Starting around $1.2 million and going up to nearly $1.8 million depending on configurations and customizations, this motorhome is aimed at buyers who want the very best. Considering the level of craftsmanship, technology, and brand prestige, the price reflects the exclusivity of the product.